The collet assembly consists of the collet nut, and a retaining ring that holds the two together. The collet is a type of chuck that holds the router bit in your router. As the nut pulls the collet into the shaft, the taper squeezes the collet tightly around the router bit. The collet can be damaged by rust. If it isn't tightened enough, it can allow the bit to slip, which will wear the collet. Eventually, the threads on the nut can become worn. Replacing the collet is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the base from the motor. And I'll unthread the collet from the spindle. Now I can install the new collet. Thread it onto the spindle. If I'm installing a bit, I place the bit into the collet. Take it all the way down, and then back it off about 1/8 of an inch, so it's not bottomed in the adapter. Then I'll use the 2 open-end wrenches to secure the bit. One on the spindle, and one on the collet. To do the final tightening of the collet, I'll bring the 2 wrenches together so I can grasp them with one hand and squeeze firmly. And that's how easy it is to replace the half-inch collet on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.